Hey guys, what's up? Mark Power Sports here. But it's raining unfortunately. So pretty much this is going to be the number one mod you can do to your bike. As you can see, I have a Tail 125 that is the same exact engine as an SSR 125. Just this engine covers different color. This one's black and the SSR ones are silver. But anyway, so I'm going to describe this like it's an SSR 125. So pretty much the number one mod you can do is right now you can see there's oil draining out of my bike. So pretty much I bought this bike used, but the guy said it's only been ridden a few times. Now looking at the tires and the whole overall like wear of the bike, it looks pretty new. Like there's not a lot of show, disc brakes, the suspension's still clean in the back. So the one thing when I got it is I noticed the fuel was really red. Pretty much they put in too much of like the stuff you pour in to save the gas. So the whole thing was red and the engine just wasn't running correctly. So I dumped all of that gas out and changed it.
Guys, when your fuel looks like this, you should definitely check all the other fluids. This is not normal at all.
So then I decided, I'll do the oil. So I take out the oil drain plug, and lo and behold, they had the best type. They had the magnetic one. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but the amount of metal on here rises off of, let's see if I can get it to focus, rises off of the napkin. There was so much on the end of this that I didn't even realize was magnetic. It went up to like here, but the oil in this was absolutely disgusting. This is the number one mod you should definitely do, is get an magnetic oil drain plug. The reason why you have to get this magnetic oil drain plug is the amount of crud that came out was intense. Also, it's just like, why not have it? It's like a $4 part and it could literally save your engine. And it's an easy thing to install. Next time you change your oil, you just screw it in. I remember I had one on the SSR and I posted that on like the mod list video. So go check that mod list video in the top corner of the mods.